sustainable future. Lastly, and perhaps most excitingly, AI has the potential to accelerate space exploration and colonization. As AI-driven manufacturing becomes more sophisticated, we might see self-replicating robots building habitats on other planets or mining asteroids for precious resources. The benefits of AI in space manufacturing are indeed staggering, opening new frontiers in space exploration and utilization. So, to encapsulate what we've discussed, AI in space manufacturing is revolutionizing the way we perceive cosmic exploration and settlement. It's not just about building rockets anymore. We're talking about using advanced robotics and 3D printing technologies driven by artificial intelligence to construct everything we need right there in the void of space. Imagine for a moment the potential. We're overcoming the hurdles of space manufacturing, like the high cost of launching materials from Earth and the challenges of operating in a zero-gravity environment. AI-driven robots could mine asteroids for raw materials, while 3D printers could fabricate habitat modules, tools, and even satellites. The benefits of AI in space manufacturing are multifold. It reduces our dependency on Earth's resources, and it makes the dream of long-term space habitation, even colonization, more feasible. Consider the future implications. AI in space manufacturing could allow us to build entire space stations or colonies on other planets. This isn't just about exploring the cosmos, but potentially creating new homes for humanity in the stars. Now, take a moment to ponder the possibilities. What could we achieve with AI in space manufacturing? What kind of future are we shaping with this technology? As we continue to push the boundaries of technology and explore the cosmos, AI in space manufacturing will undoubtedly play a pivotal role. It's a thrilling time to be alive, isn't it?